Hey guys, Bruce Slinger's better half here. Haha, called girlfriend. That's right, that's me. This is how you install the storm kick covers. So, as you can see from here, he went ahead and used some Gorilla Glue and put that on. He had to hold it for about 45 seconds. And there he goes. Apparently our dog loves eating snow too. That's all, folks. Stay tuned.
Changing the diff oil in the front differential of the Cforce 1000. Currently dropping the green bolt, which is an 8mm Allen.
Beautiful.
That's not.
Also, side note, don't you love when you get a good day of melt in Canada and all the landmines all suddenly appear in the yard?
What are landmines?
Dog poop.
Oh, yeah. Lovely.
What are you doing over there?
Holy shit. I'm doing the drain, or the fill plug. The front differential. And I just dropped my washer into the oil pan too.
Pretty
I
sure
don't recommend doing those things.
that is not recommended. You heard it here live.
So I get the oil ready to fill that up. So we're gonna take 75W90 Motomaster full synthetic. Gonna fill up the front differential until it comes out of the fill hole. It should be about 400 milliliters or something like that. Then I'm gonna move on to doing the rear diff, which I won't film. It's the same as this. And then I'm gonna do the transmission, all with running the same oil. See it coming out of there. It tells you it's full. So I'm going to reinstall the drain or the fill plug, and we'll move on to the back.
Hey guys, Bruce Slinger here again. So we are about to attempt to change the rear diff oils.
Oils. Multiple oils?
Oil, apparently. I'm just a girl, what do I know? So what are you doing?
Took up the drain or the fill plug. So again, that's an 8mm Allen ratchet.
We've got no oil still, but we are working on it. This is also why sometimes a lift can definitely come in handy, so that I could actually show you guys where this is located.
Under the differential.
There we go, beautiful. So we got that draining out. We're trying to get him out riding a lot more.
Yeah. Okay, so when that's finished, I'll put that back in, fill it back up, but the same as the front differential, and then we'll move on to the transmission, and I'll film that a little closer.
Also, shout out to the Pontiac Roadrunner Club. Pretty sick logo.
So guys, we're back doing a service on the 2021 Cforce 1000. We're at about 950 kilometers on the bike. I'm going to do the transmission now. I popped off the side cover. To be honest, it'd be probably like cooler to run it without this cover, but anyway, I guess they want it there. So if you look to your right there, right dead center of the camera below there, that's your drain. It's a 17mm. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out, and I will get back to you. This transmission holds 600 milliliters of oil. 75W90 is what we're going with. So we have that drained, put the plug back in, tighten it up, take out your dipstick, put it somewhere clean. Take a funnel, even though I have a gear oil jug, I'm gonna take a funnel, stick it in there. So like I said, it calls for 600 milliliters. But be smarter than that. Take the cap off the oil. Alright, now we put in the oil. 75W90. So that's 600 milliliters. If you want to know too, it says right here 0.6 liters, 75W90. Your oil over here, 2.6 liters of 10W40. There's your oil fill right there. So let's go ahead and take this out. Give it a little shake. Now to check this, don't screw it back in. Just put it there. Pull it out. Don't lose your O-ring. It's there. Give it another dip. That's perfect. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. But there's a full line there. It's perfect. So go ahead and screw this back in. And that's tight. So that's done. Diffs are done. I don't have the fluid for the engine right now, but I will be doing that next. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Like I said, probably the oil change video.